Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn our second chapter, introduction and review exercise. Okay, the chapter name is fractions and decimals. You already know fraction is a part of whole. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Suppose if this is a complete chapter, complete part. Okay, for example, this is Lcm or like pizza. Just you can imagine that. So we are cutting now. Okay, so it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, right? So now it is divided into 8 parts. Now we are taking out these 2 parts. Okay, so now total how many parts are there? 8 parts, and we are taking out 2 parts. So this is 2 by 8. So this 2 by 8 is nothing but a fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Okay, and in our daily life also we came across about these fractions. Okay, so as I already told, when you cut the pizza pieces and when you cut the Lcm pieces and when you cut the cake and divided it into pieces, it is nothing but fraction. And in our chapter name decimals also there. Yes, you already have the knowledge about decimals. So when you went to the shop and you are taking vegetables or whatever it is, they weigh, right? They weigh by putting those things on the weighing machine. So the reading will be, sometimes the reading will be like this, 500.20, like that, right? So this is point, no? So this is called decimal point. So the numbers which contain this decimal point are nothing but decimals. Okay, and when you went to the petrol bunk with your parents, then also when the tank is filling with the petrol, then also if you observe the reading, there also we can observe the decimals. Okay, so that is about fractions. What is fraction and what is decimal? You already have a little knowledge about these fractions, and you know the addition and subtraction and multiplication and division of fractions, some basic operations on fractions, and you know how to add the decimals also. So in this chapter we will learn to solve multiplication and division of fractions in word problems, and also some algorithms to multiply and divide the decimals you learn in this chapter, and to solve the problems related to our daily life. In this video we will learn those. Okay, so here is our first problem in review exercise, that is write the following fractions in ascending order. So our first problem, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 17 by 2 and 9 by 2. So if you observe here, all the fractions have same denominator, right? So in 3 by 2, 3 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. Okay, so 3 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. So here all the fractions have same denominator, so these fractions are called like fractions. What are these fractions? Like fractions. So simply arranging in ascending order means just write the numerators in ascending order. That means from small to big. Okay, so what is the smallest numerator? Here 1, right? And next smallest 3 by 2, and next smallest 5 by 2, and next 135, next 9 by 2, and next 17 by 2. That's it. Okay, very simply you can write if the fractions are like fractions. And now our second one, here the fractions are not like fractions. Okay, so here what are the denominators? Here the denominator is 5 and 10. So these are not like fractions, these are unlike fractions, right? So first of all, here we have to find out the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Okay, so what are the denominators here? Here the denominators are 5 and 10, right? We have to find out LCM. So if we observe 5 and 10 have common factor 5 ones and 5 twos. So LCM in your 6th class you learned it, 5 into 1 into 2. So that is 10. What is the LCM of denominators here? 10. So now we have to convert the 6 by 5 and 19 by 5 to get 10 in the denominator. So by multiplying with what number we get 10 with 5? 5 twos are 10, right? So 6 by 5 can be written as, I am multiplying with 2 by 2. Why I am multiplying? To get 10. Okay? 6 twos are 12, 5 twos are 10. And next 19 by 5. So 19 by 5 into 2 by 2. 19 twos are 38 by 10. So now in the place of 6 by 5 we can write 12 by 10. Okay, and next 11 by 10, 19 by 5 we can write as 38 by 10, 7 by 10, 5 by 10. So now this is the question. Okay, so how we will write in ascending order? Now these all fractions are in or like fractions. That means they all have same denominator. So now just write numerators in ascending order. So 5 by 10, next 7 by 10 less than, otherwise you can write comma also here. 5 by 10 comma, 7 by 10 comma, like that also you can. Next 11 by 10, 12 by 10, and finally 38 by 10. So in this way we can write. Okay, now our next problem is third one, 8 by 3, 7 by 6, 3, 1 by 4, 5 by 3, 11 by 4. If we observe, all these fractions are unlike fractions and we have one mixed fraction also, right? So we have to convert that mixed fraction into proper fraction. Okay, so sorry, improper fraction. Okay, so whatever it is, we have to convert this mixed fraction into a fraction first of all. For this, what is in the denominator? The denominator of the fraction also same. And now take the denominator and into this 3 plus 1. That means here into and here plus. Okay, so for 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 by 4, that is 13 by 4. So now 8 by 3, 7 by 6, 13 by 4, 5 by 3, 11 by 4. Okay, so now take the denominators. LCM of denominators we have to find out. So what are the denominators here? Here denominators 3, 4, 6, right? So we have to find out the LCM. First we will check with 2 table, 2 2s and 3s, right? Same, right? 3, 2 2s, 2 3s. Again with 3 table, 3 1s, 3 1s. So what is the LCM? We have to multiply these all numbers. 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 1. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are also 12. So LCM of denominators here 12. Now we have to convert all the fractions with denominator 12. Okay. So now see, 3 by multiplying with what number with 3 we will get 12 in 3 table. 3 4s are 12, right? So 8 by 3 we can convert. Now this we can multiply with 4 by 4. 8 4s are 32 by 12. Next one, 7 by 6. To get 12 in the denominator, we have to multiply 6 with 2. Right? So 7 by 6 into 2 by 2. Whatever the change we are doing, okay, in both numerator and denominator, that change must be in both numerator and denominator. So 7 2 is 14 and 6 2 is 12. Next 13 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So we have to multiply with 3 by 3. 13 3s are 39 by 12. Next 5 by 3. What is our next one? 5 by 3. So 3 4s are 12, right? So 5 by 3 into 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next our last one, 11 by 4. 4 3s are 12, right? So we multiply with 3 by 3. 11 3s are 33. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now 8 by 3 became 32 by 12. Right. So now we will write those in order. Just to write the answer very easily we are writing this. So now this 8 by 3 is equal to 32 by 12. 7 by 6, 14 by 12. 13 by 4, 39 by 12. And 5 by 3, 20 by 12. 11 by 4, 33 by 12. So now all these fractions are like fractions. We converted into like fractions. So now in ascending order, just arranging the numerators in ascending order from small to big. So what is the smallest? 14, right? 14 by 12 less than. Next 20 by 12. Next 32 by 12. Next 33 by 12. And last 39 by 12. Okay. So if you want, you can write another step also. What is this 14 by 12? 7 by 6. So write 7 by 6 here. 20 by 12, 5 by 3. And 32 by 12, 8 by 3. 33 by 12, 11 by 4. And our last one, 39 by 12, 13 by 4. In this way, you can write in ascending order. So in second problem, total 4 problems are there. We have to add, and in third problem we have to subtract. Okay. So see here, first one, 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 plus 7 by 4. So first here you have to take the LCM of denominators. LCM of 5, 4. Okay. So 5 and 4 does not come in a table, right? In one table. So in that case LCM is, that means they have no common factors. So 5 into 4, 20. So LCM 20. So now 3 by 5, take 3 by 5 and 5 4s are 20 now. So multiply with 4 by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So 7 by 4. 4 5s are 20, right? So 5 by 5. 7 5s are 35 and 4 5s are 20. So now we can add a very easily, right? So now 3 by 5 plus 7 by 4 equals to 12 by 20 plus 35 by 20. Right? So now both the denominators are same. So don't write 20 plus 20 40. We have to take LCM 20 and 12 plus 35. Okay. So this is 47 by 20. What is this? 47 by 20. Okay. Second one, 5 by 6 plus 7 by 12. So now denominators, we have to calculate the LCM of denominators. So how? 6 and 12 have common factor 6, right? In 6 table only it will comes. In 2 table also. 6 ones and 6 twos. So now LCM is equal to 6 into 1 into 2. So that is 12. Right? So LCM of 6, 12 is 12. If both the numbers comes in one table, then the bigger one is the LCM. So in your higher class you can do like this. LCM is 12. So how many times this 6 divides 12? 2 times, right? So 5 into 2 plus how many times 12 divides? 1 time. 1 into 7. Okay. 5 2s are 10 plus 7 1s are 7 by 12. That is 17 by 12. Okay. Otherwise you can do like this also. Okay. So LCM of 6, 12 how much? 12 only. And now we have to equalize the denominators. So 5 by 6, by multiplying with which number we will get 12 in the denominator? With 2 only, na? So 5 by 6 into 2 by 2. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Okay. So now this 5 by 6 became 10 by 12. Same here also 10 by 12. And 7 by 12 has the denominator 12 only. So now we can write 5 by 6 plus 7 by 12 is equal to, in the place of this 5 by 6 we can write 10 by 12 and 7 by 12. Okay. Now denominators are same, so LCM 12, 10 plus 7, that is 17 by 12. So like in this way, like this you can solve this problem. Okay. In your higher class you will do this. Okay, to find out. And here we convert unlike fraction into like fractions. In our next problem there is subtraction is given, right? So here in third problem mixed fraction is there. So whenever mixed fraction will comes, first of all we have to convert into a fraction. Okay. So now take 1 7 by 8. So denominator is same. So 8 into 1 plus 7. 8 plus 7 by 8, that is 15 by 8. So now this 1 7 by 8 became 15 by 8 minus 1 by 5. Now both the denominators are different, right? So we have to take the LCM. LCM of 8, 5. 8 and 5 do not have common factors. Then simply you multiply. 8 5s are 40. LCM is 40. So now take this 15 by 8. In 8 table 40, where 40 comes, 8 5s are, right? So multiply it 5 by 5. 15 5s are 75. 8 5s are 40. And this 1 by 5. 5 8s are 40, right? So 8 5 8s are 40. Now these two fractions became like fractions. 15 by 8 minus 1 by 5 is equal to, what is 15 by 8 value? 75 by 40 minus, what is the value of 1 by 5? 8 by 40, right? So now denominator is same, so LCM 40, 75 minus 8. So 75 minus 8, how much? 67. 67 by 40. So we can put like this final answer, otherwise we can write as mixed fraction also. Now take 67 and divide with 40. 40 ones are 40 and 27. So we can write as, now take this quotient 1, next remainder 27 by this dividend. So 127 by 40. Okay. So in our fourth problem, both are mixed fractions, 4 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3. So here 4 1 by 2 we have to convert into a fraction. Okay. So first 2 is in the denominator and 2 into 4. First into 4 plus 1. Here into and here plus. 2 4s are 8. Plus 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. So the value of this 4 1 by 2 became 9 by 2. Similarly, here denominator same 3. 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 by 3, that is 10 by 3. So 4 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3 became 4 1 by 2, 9 by 2. Plus 3 1 by 3, 10 by 3. Okay. Now we have to add these two. So what is the LCM of this 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3. If 2 and 3 comes in one table, no, right? Except in one table, it won't come in 2 table or 3 table like that, right? Then in that case the product is the LCM. They have no common factors. Sorry, 2 3s are 6. So now 9 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So multiply with 3 by 3. 9 3s are 27. 2 3s are 6. And similarly here 10 by 3. So 10 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 by 2. 20 by 6. So now this 4 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 3 became 4 1 by 2, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 equals to 27 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3 became this 10 by 3 and 10 by 3 became 20 by 6. So now LCM 6. Don't write 6 plus 6 and 27 plus 20. That's wrong. Okay. So just we have to take the LCM. 27 plus 20. So that is 47 by 6. Our answer will be 47 by 6. Or otherwise we can convert into mixed fraction also. 47. 6 8s are 48, but it is more, right? So 6 7s are 42 and 5. So first we have to write this quotient 7 and remainder by dividend. So this is 7 5 by 6. So in third problem, simplify the following. So 4 problems are given. We have to solve. Our first one, 1 by 4 of 3. So in Bodmer's rule, when we are saying Bodmer's rule, I told you O means of, right? So of is nothing but multiplication. Of is nothing but multiplication. So 1 by 4 of 3 is equal to 1 by 4 into 3. So 1 into 3, 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 3 is equal to 3 by 4. That's it. And our next one, 5 by 8 of 2 by 3. What is our second one? 5 by 8 of 2 by 3. So 5 by 8 of 2 by 3 is equal to, of is nothing but into 2 by 3. So multiply numerator with numerator, 5 into 2, and denominator with denominator, 8 into 3. So 5 2 is 10, 8 3 is 24. This is 10 by 24. 10 by 24. Here numerator and denominator both have common factors, right? So 2 5s and 2 12s. So this will be 5 by 12. 10 by 24 also answer, but after simplifying this will be 5 by 12. So in our third one mixed fraction is given, right? So first of all we have to convert that mixed fraction into a fraction. So mixed fraction 2 1 by 7. So write the denominator as it is, and now here starts from down to up we will go. So 7 into 2 plus 1. 7 2 is 14 plus 1 by 7. So that will be 15 by 7. Okay. So now 2 1 by 7 became 15 by 7. So 15 by 4 into 2 1 by 7 is equal to, what's the value of this 2 1 by 7? 15 by 7. Okay. So now multiply both numerators and multiply both denominators. 15 into 15 by 4 into 7. 15 15s are 225. If you multiply, you will get, and 4 7s are 28. Okay. And here we can do the cancellation also. Okay. After doing the cancellation not division, actually we can do the division, that means converting into a mixed fraction. 28 with 225 we are doing. So 2 8s are 16, right? 2 10s are 20 10s are 200, and 28s are 160. Again 8 is there now, so if we check 28 8s are 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22. So 224 you will get. So remainder is 4. So first we have to write this quotient 8, and next remainder 1 by dividend. So this is, the value is 8 1 by 28 after converting into mixed fraction. And our fourth one, in fourth one also both are mixed fractions. We have to convert them as fractions first. So 3 1 by 3 we have to convert into a fraction. So first, what is in the denominator? 3. Write the denominator same, and now start with the denominator 3, first into and then addition. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 by 3, that is 10 by 3. Okay. And here also in the denominator 5, start with the denominator 5 into this whole part 2 plus 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 by 5. This is 12 by 5. So 3 1 by 3 into 2 2 by 5 is equal to 10 by 3 into 12 by 5. So here multiply both the numerators, 10 into 12 by 3 into 5. So this is 120 by 3 5s are 15. Okay. After doing cancellations, 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. So 40. 40 by 5. Again 5 8s are 40. So this value is 8. What's this value? 8. The final answer is 8. Or otherwise you can cancel directly. 15 8s are 120. So in fourth problem, calculate the following. Here divisions are given. If we observe in our second problem, both additions and one subtraction is given. In our third one, all multiplication, and here divisions were given. Okay, so we'll see now. 3 by 4 divided by 3. Okay, so actually here 12 divided by 5 by 4 means we will divide this 12 with 4, right? Because it's very easy. 4 3s are 12, so the remainder will be 0. We can do like that. But here, this is a fraction, right? So we cannot do division very easily. So for that, we'll take this 3 by 4 and this division now became multiplication and this 3 will become reverse. It's actually 3 by 1, right? If we reverse this, it is 1 by 3. Okay? Simply we will take the reciprocal. Okay. Now 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. Similar terms get cancelled. So this is 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 divided by 3 means 1 by 4. So in our second one they gave 8 divided by 2 1 by 7. So second one 8 divided by 2 1 by 7. Okay. So here mixed fraction is there. Whenever you see the mixed fraction, immediately you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That means into a fraction. For that take the denominator same and starts with denominator 7 into 2 plus numerator. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 7. So 8 divided by 2 1 by 7 now became 8 divided by, what's the value of 2 1 by 7? 15 by 7. So 8, this division now will becomes into, and next we will take the reciprocal, that means reverse. 7 by 15. The numerator will becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So now simply multiplication. 8 into 7. Here nothing is there, no? So that means 1. So 1 into 15, 15. 7 8s are 56 by 15. Okay. So there is no common factors to cancel this. So this is the answer. Or otherwise you can convert into a mixed fraction also. 56. We'll divide 56 with 15. So 15 3s are 45. 15 4s are 60. So 15 3s are 45 and this will be 11. So 3 11 by 15. And in our third one, both the fractions. So 12 by 7 divided by 2 by 7 is our third problem. So write this 12 by 7. This division will becomes into, and then this fraction will get reversed. 7 by 2. So 12 into 7 by 7 into 2. 7 7 get cancelled. So this is 12 by 2. So 2 1s 2 6. So the answer will be 6. Or otherwise you can cancel here also, but we wrote another step. And our fourth problem. In our fourth, again both are mixed fractions. So we have to convert them into fractions first. So here 5 1 by 2. In the denominator 2 is there, so write same denominator. So starts with the denominator 2 into 5 plus 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 2. Next, here 2 9 by 11. What's the denominator? 11. So write 11. 11 into 2 plus 9. 11 2s are 22 plus 9 by 11. So this is 31 by 11. What is this value? 31 by 11. So 5 1 by 2 divided by 2 9 by 11 is equal to 11 by 2 divided by 31 by 11. So 11 by 2. Now in the place of division we'll write into, and this fraction will get reverse. That means we take reciprocal. 11 by 31. Right? So 11 into 11 by 2 into 31. 11 11s are 121 by 31 2s, 32s are 60 plus 2. So that is 62. So we cannot do the cancellation here, but we can convert into mixed fraction. So after converting into mixed fraction, 62 2s, 6 2s are 12. That means 62s are 121. But here 62s are 120, right? Here it is 62. That means that is 124 with 2's if you multiply. So take as 1's. So 11 minus 2, 9. Here 11 minus 6, 5. So the answer will be 159 by 62.